Hey, what it is? Hey, get us in him share. What they do fit live here? Yeah.
I see chiggy chiggy, so still up in here. I see chiggy chiggy. So speaking of chiggy chiggy, my boy. So speaking of time, chiggy chiggy, so still up in here. When I learn all my niggas eat, it's true. Boy.
When I touch that, all my niggas eat. Jiggy, 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 stambile. Jiggy, jiggy, take me figure it. Nike checks on my feet. When I touch that, all my niggas eat. Jiggy, 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 stambile. Jiggy, jiggy, take me figure it.
So this is with a beef, aka King Boy. Today we'll be representing Tyson. So today I'll be interviewing him, so understanding like what's happening, where he's from, you know, we get check.
Make sure he's under a beat, yeah.
Get the paper fast, it's touch me shit, he come me back with the cash, he really fast, he really mad, he really step. Two niggas with the Gucci man, he don't give a damn, asking for some dag. He said don't worry, Ntwana Kulile.
So taki bafethu, asibonge 18 komo hii.
Nothing bad nicks, nothing bad nicks.
Uncle please, Ntwana mongchene Ntwana. Bodlala ibhola wena mngani wami bodlala ibhola wena bowusikwama wena ushaya lezi wena ushaya ama-through ball phelelепhi leyo njalo to make you become jiggy iqalephi leyo ndaba
mfethu icale ngisasemncane mfethu ngasikhathi ngisancane ukudlala ibhola ukudlala ibhola vele
yeah
mara long story cut. I'm here now, I'm doing music because soccer can work out.
Yeah. So like the track that's actually going well for people, Jiggy Tag. How do you feel that people are actually listening to Jiggy check for your start track, dog? Like your first track, how do you feel about it? Dog?
I feel like people are listening to me, bro.
They're not listening to you, dog.
Yeah, like usually it's like the people I know. Okay, but I have seen a guy who came up to me, he's like, yo, I saw him on YouTube. That happens. Mara still, I usually see it from the people I know.
Yeah.
Playing it.
So is Jiggy gonna be the last track, or is there gonna be more? I have Hit and Wonder. You have gang tracks?
I have gang tracks, but just go to YouTube.
I should play one again.
When you rap?
Now, like right now, my nigga, like right now. Freestyle, man.
I have this one, and I ain't gonna stop till I'm on top. All our options, niggas running in my off for the cloud, they're really out, yeah.
I'm never gonna stop till I get to the top. Don't please pass me the zone. My name is Tyson, I be shiny. Then in the booth I be grinding. All this happen with timing. One conversation on the phone, heavy conversation you don't know. Working myself, keep it low. Tell me what the hell is going on. No stress starts smoking no zone. Things are going wrong. Sometimes I sleep in a grind. Sometimes I sleep with a knife. Poverty can ruin your life. Sometimes I sleep with a knife. Sometimes I sleep in a grind. Sometimes I sleep with a knife. Poverty can ruin your life. Sometimes I sleep with a knife.
I ain't gonna stop till I'm on. Okay. Yeah, then no, I'm actually done, you know. But like, this is my boy. You gotta check for my boy. Check. Subscribe. Hold up. Subscribe that shit, my nigga. Subscribe that shit, my nigga.
2 questions for the boy. 2
Subscribe
questions.
that shit, my
Come here,
nigga.
Mr. Chigi.
Chiggy, sister, Lambile.
Where now? In the next coming year, is 1 hour. Where do you see yourself?
I see myself in success.
Group lab. Except to buy. Yeah. Hey, okay, fair. Mare, like, do you see yourself like performing in like Dubai yourself like in the next 5 years?
Yeah, like you. In goal in
You
Japan.
never know.
In goal in Japan.
Me, I have a pen in life, but me, I just go with the vibe. I don't like tell people what I'm gonna do, what's gonna happen to me. I don't do anything.
But one thing I can tell you, dog, like push your writing out, dog. And like, dog, don't let anyone tell you that you're doing shit, man. You're doing the right thing. Nina, unsubscribe. I'm zoned in Tana Yam. Like in the Ntoni, Piafuneja sometimes. One of the DJ, Pambi.
Out.